Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Drive, sign in and locate the photo you want to share. Once found, verify you own it or have edit rights. That determines available permissions. Right-click the file and choose Share or Get Link to begin. Make sure to act now. Selecting Share gives immediate options for people, while Get Link prepares a shareable URL. This first step sets the sharing method and scope, so do it carefully to avoid redoing permissions later. Now decide who can access the photo and what they can do. Add specific email addresses to notify individuals, and set viewer, commenter, or editor so recipients have the right level of control. Alternatively, pick anyone with link for public access. Remember that broad links bypass account checks. Once done, open Advanced or Settings to disable downloads, set an expiration date, or include a message so recipients know why you shared the file. These choices protect your content and reduce permission errors. Finish by clicking Send for invited users or Copy Link for sharing elsewhere. Once you copy, paste the URL in an incognito window or a different account to confirm access. Testing prevents surprises. If someone reports no access, first confirm they signed into the correct Google account, then change the link setting to anyone with link or explicitly add their email. That single troubleshooting tip. Verify account versus link visit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.